Laws of motion. We'll study all about force, but that would be under the title Laws of Motion. Before we enter into deep of this chapter, we should define what is inertial or non-inertial frame of reference. Inertial and non-inertial, that becomes secondary thing to be known. Frame of reference. What's the frame of reference? Suppose you are sitting in a boat across a lake and you are watching the train passing side by. That boat becomes frame of reference and you are observing the moving train. Frame of reference is normally represented by 2 or 3 axes. Means the coordinate system that you have chosen, that would represent the frame of reference. So we must know what is frame of reference. The laws will be applicable that we are going to study will be applicable for a given set of frame of reference. Now we should know what is inertia. Derived from the term inert, that means inactive. Every body in the entire nature has a tendency to oppose, to resist, to hurdle the change in its state. This is called inertia. So inertia could be of 3 types in general: inertia of rest, inertia of motion, inertia of direction. Inertia simply means tendency to oppose the change. Body in rest will always oppose the change in rest. Body in constant motion will always tend to oppose the change in state of motion. And likewise, if the body is moving regularly due east and it is suddenly made to move due north, this kind of change will again be resisted by the body. So inertia could be classified in 3 segments. That's inertia of rest, motion, and direction. Now, key points regarding inertia we'll deal with, but the force is always needed to change the state of motion. One thing must be made clear, that if a body is having constant motion, no force is required for this purpose. Now, in discussing 3 laws of Newton regarding force and known as laws of motion, we'll come across 2 terms: frame of reference, inertial or non-inertial. If the system from which you are observing is having no acceleration, that means A equal to 0. This is possible when velocity is constant, means the body is moving having no acceleration. The system, the frame of reference will be known as inertial. And if that system, that frame of reference is having acceleration, that would be known as non-inertial.